Welcome to your exclusive sneak preview of the Yorkville Condominiums, an unprecedented ownership opportunity coming soon and well worth the wait. Situated in an exclusive Midtown neighborhood on Davenport Road, just west of Yonge, the Yorkville is Lifetime Development's newest community. The Yorkville Condominiums will boast 31 stories high, with only 238 units available for sale. There are 3 different floor plans to choose from. A 1-bedroom at 544 square feet. 2 bedrooms at 766 square feet. And 2 bedrooms plus a den at 948 square feet. The Yorkville will also offer residents a luxurious lobby and lounge, a quiet and relaxing piano bar, not to mention a state-of-the-art plunge pool. Soon, you'll be able to call it home for under $300,000. If you want to be part of this exclusive opportunity before it gets released to the general public, reserve your suite today. Please click on the link below this video to register. You'll be happy you did.